GSAT stock analysis and GSAT stock prediction. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. First of all, right, so like as I'm observing this, I saw from the beginning that yeah, maybe the price previously has run this up. In context, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on courses with mentorships and documented everything. And just observing this, I am still, so like overall speaking, although the price is kind of going down, I generally want to take things up, because if you look at it from a daily chart, this is like a demand area from here. So ultimately, I'm just gonna wing it out a little bit more. And what I would really like to see is like this. You know, that's it. If there is a double break, I'm taking things up for sure. Unless there is a double break though, I'm gonna kick rocks. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.